Beautiful, dude.
Yeah, tell your father-in-law I said he's an idiot for cutting this with a chainsaw first. Tell him to turn on the video and watch this video that I call it. We won't give his father-in-law's name. Nah, he's got a good father-in-law. I'm just having fun with that.
Oh, so you pull it. You pull that down. Okay, because I was thinking you had to push the wood through it. Okay, yeah, this got better.
You lock the wood right on in there. And
it's not going to touch that, is it?
Pardon?
This would be the perfect time for y'all to hit that subscribe button and tell me what you would do with this chunk of wood.
So is this thing... So did it come with this entire track here?
No, I made that track.
Aspen! Get up here. What is it? Is that excavator run?
Yeah.
Dude, you could do some shit with that thing up here, dude.
I didn't put my glasses on.
You don't?
Okay.
So what'd you just do there?
I'm setting the measurement so I know how much to raise and lower.
Okay.
Okay. So now I want to come up. Man, my eyesight sucks anymore.
Get some fucking glasses, man. Want me to go get your glasses?
Nah, that's all right. It might help if you grab me a drink.
What do you want?
I'm kidding. I want some mountain water.
You talking about moonshine?
Yeah. Okay, let's see here.
This kid here, he used to be an Oregonian. Then he moved to California, and they Californicated him. Now he comes on up here, and we got this little light mist going on here, and he's got to put his coat on and his hoodie. He's got this brand new butch that he's got, and he's afraid to get his hair wet. Just go figure. That's what California does to you.
plum wood.
See, I'm going to be cutting right over this log clamp. And that blade just barely clears that log clamp by about 1/64 of an inch. I mean, it was right there. I was watching real close on that. Also, on the other side, you can't see if there's a metal stake. I just barely cleared that, about the same amount of space too. Had to watch that real close. Didn't want to hit that with a fairly new blade.
Dude, why didn't you just lower this shit down real quick?
So it's already down pretty low.
Oh, okay.
Huh. That's not some bad looking plum wood, folks. Now, yeah, I'll let that water run on out. Just in case we get a freeze, I don't want it in there anyway.
Beautiful, dude. Beautiful, dude.
Now.
Sweet. He wants the live edge on there, so that's sweet.
Well, folks, this is the plum wood for his father-in-law, the guy that I called an idiot for cutting this sucker with a chainsaw. Yeah, you know, he never was accused of having brains. Hey, he's a taxidermist. I want to catch a fish, you owe me a mount. Anyway, folks, just remember, if the girls don't find you handsome like him, you can find them handy like him. If you don't find them handy like him, just pray that they find you. And by the way, if you live in the Chico area and you need a custom gate or fence built, you know, with all the electronics and welded up, you know, whatever, the guy knows his stuff. Look him up. What is it called?
Pro Fence.
Pro Fence. Just remember, folks, y'all come back to the real people right here on the Grizzly 270 channel. Bye!